Hello, today we are gonna talk how to hard reset your Realme 16 Pro phone using recovery mode. Let's get started. First of all, we need to fully power off our phone. For that case, we need to hold the power button with the volume button. Then we need to scroll down to power off our phone. We need to wait for a couple of seconds until it will fully power off. Now we need to enter the recovery mode. For that reason, we need to hold the power button with the lower volume button together. We need to wait for some time. Now, as Realme shows, we need to hold only the volume button and wait. Now, as you can see, we need to choose the preferable language. I will choose my preferable language as English here. Here, I've got my format data. I need to click on it. I need to enter the code that I am given, so 1496. Then I've got confirmation status, whether I need to format all the data, and I click format. Data formatted successfully. Click OK. Now, as you can see, the phone starts working again. You need to wait for some time. After it will pop up the Realme logo. It can take up to 3 or more minutes, so you need to be patient, because the system by itself needs to fully reload. Now, as you can see, you can proceed. You can again choose the preferable language. Here I'll go with English. Then I can select my region, and then you can start using absolutely new reloaded phone. So I'll continue, let's say, with United States. I agree with the legal information. And that's how you reload your phone and how you use the hard reset with the recovery mode. Thank you.